Welcome. In this short tutorial, we'll check whether a given sentence starts with a specific word. For example, hello. This is a common text processing task when passing commands, greetings, or tokens from user input. I'll show a compact, robust C# solution that treats the first word as a whole. So hello in hello would still count. It also handles the empty input gracefully and prints the matched word followed by a period, just like the example. Let's walk through the problem and the code. The key idea is matching the first token as a word, not just a substring. So, hello, hello, and hello should be treated as starting with hello. We'll trim leading spaces and use a symbol check with a word boundary so punctuation or white space after the word still counts. This keeps behavior intuitive for users. This version uses a short regex so we correctly match the word hello at the beginning. Regex escape avoids surprise if you change the target to a word that includes special regex characters. The look ahead ensures the next character is a word boundary at the end of the string, or a punctuation. So hello or hello still match. We also use string.start to ignore accidental leading spaces. If you prefer a non-regex approach, you can split on the whitespace and punctuation and compare the first token. But regex keeps the code compact and clear. Step by step. The program normalizes the input, then checks only the beginning using an anchored regex. That makes the check big OK, where small k is the length of the target or token, effectively constant for small targets. This is fast and safe for console input. If you need more advanced tokenization, example, Unicode aware word boundaries. Consider system globalization helpers. These examples show expected behavior. Punctuation and leading spaces are fine. Concatenated words like hello there don't incorrectly match because we enforce a word boundary. If your input uses non-Latin alphabets or special characters, you might need to tweak the pattern or, or use a culture-aware approach. Detecting a starting word is used in many places. Chatbots that respond to greetings, CLI tools that parse command verbs, or validators that ensure messages would start with the required markers. The same approach adapts easily to a list of allowed starting words, case sensitivity rules, or multilingual scenarios. To wrap up, checking if a string starts with a specific word is straightforward, but the subtlety is treating the target as a whole word and handling whitespace and punctuation. The regex approach shown is compact, safe, and easy to adapt. For production code with many languages or emojis, consider more advanced tokenization. Thanks for watching. Try adapting the helper to accept multiple starting words and return which one matched. Happy coding! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.